'86 Cutlass 442. And she's looking a little sad right now. Been sitting outside, unused for a while, about 8 years. But I will be fixing things up as soon as I can, which probably will take a while because I don't have much free time. But felt like it was worth saving. Looks to be pretty much all original and complete, which is one of the main things I liked about it. Clear coat has failed on the top surfaces, as you can see here. Rubber is pretty shot too, and there is some rust, but I do have a Harbor Freight flux core welder, and the plan is to fix as much as I can myself. I'm not really good at welding, I haven't really done it much, but this car will give me some good practice. See, it has a little bit of buildup of leaves and debris. Some rust up here and down here. This car was rust proofed at some point, so hopefully that helped it a little bit. Interior is pretty good. The seller told me these seats were redone or partially redone at some point. Looks like this is faded and that isn't, so I'm guessing that was replaced. Headliner is actually holding up. Guessing it must have been redone at some point. Steering wheel is a little messed up. Probably going to try to recover that myself, unless I can find it on the wheel. These wheels are not that easy to find, I don't think. Missing the rear view. Thought I saw that somewhere. Maybe not. Tint is shot. And the battery's dead, so it probably won't even start. Totally dead. You have to jump it to get it started. Doors are a little rusty, but not terrible. I've actually seen worse. There's a hole over here. No big surprise with all that debris. Wheels are rusty. I'm gonna try to clean them up a bit. Tires are completely shot, cracked. A few extra parts. Not sure if I need them, but it's always good to get extra parts. This door has a situation down here where the skin seems to be separating from the inner structure, so that's gonna need to be cut out and fixed. It's kind of shot along the bottom too. I'm hoping not to have to redo the whole bottom skin, but who knows, I might have to. Underneath is okay. It's not great. There's a few small holes in the back of the floor pan. Kind of hard to see like this, but doesn't look like anything too crazy. Hopefully I can do some small patches. Gauges do not work. Pretty typical on these. So I have to take that apart. Brake line. His seller gave me a brake line because rear brake line is ruptured and no brakes. So it was trailered here. Trying to decide if I should leave the patina look or actually repaint it myself. I've been looking into Rust-Oleum, but I gotta do a little more research on that. I don't know how that holds up over time. If it's only a temporary solution, then I might have to get some kind of base clear. But whatever it is, I'm trying to do this as cheap and easy as I can, but also I don't want to hack it up. Try to get it as right as I can. Anyway, I'll be posting more updates as I get stuff done. Thanks for watching.